Welcome to CardExchange Controller. In this video, we will show you how to search records. There are many ways to find your data in CardExchange Controller and the People's List. We have a simple keyword search where you can type in the name of the person you're looking for. You can also find advanced search options by selecting the Advanced Search option and filling in the condition to see the data that you'd like to see. You can also save these advanced searches in your own custom search options. Additionally, filters can be used and set up on the side here. Just create a filter, select the Filter Options button, and select Add New Person Filter. Give the filter a name. Select the conditions. To start the filtering, select the filter. And that is it for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful videos to maximize your experience with CardExchange Controller.